going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chunky! I didn't say.
Eat your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great day so far. I've got a good one. It's a little bit spicy, and the guy's a little bit contemptuous. He's a weirdo. It's an arraignment. That's all I got. It's good. That's why I'm sharing it. Let's go. Before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Now let's go.
All right, Tricorius Dodd Brown. All right, good afternoon, sir. Are you Tricorius Antone Dodd Brown?
Anton. Yep.
Anton, okay, I apologize for the mispronunciation. Thank you for that. All right, then, Mr. Austin, if you would enter your appearance, please.
Good afternoon, Magistrate Jared Austin, appearing today on behalf of Mr. Dodd Brown for the purpose of this hearing only.
All right, thank you, Mr. Dodd Brown. This is file 25-00882SM. This is a complaint alleging on or about March 23rd, 2025, at the location of 819 Vine Street, City of Lansing, Ingham County, Michigan. Count one alleges that you did. Hang on. Okay. Okay, so Mr. Dodd Brown, this is alleging at 819 Vine Street, Lansing, Michigan, that you did willfully and maliciously destroy or injure a building or its appurtenances located at that address that belonged to Clifford McConkey, and the amount of destruction or injury was $200 or more, but less than $1,000. Contrary to law, that is a misdemeanor. Maximum penalty 1 year and or $2,000 or 3 times the amount of destruction or injury, whichever is greater. Count 2 alleges that you did enter with or without breaking a certain building or structure, to wit, a residence or apartment located again at that address on Vine Street, whether occupied or unoccupied, without first obtaining permission to enter from the owner or occupant, agent, or person having immediate control thereof. Contrary to law, that is a misdemeanor. Maximum penalty 90 days and or $500. Do you understand both of these charges, sir, and the maximum penalties?
Oh, but it's all right. Continue.
Well, I need to know that you understand just the charge and the maximum penalty.
Competent, but I don't understand. So, but you can continue because it's.
Well, the thing is, sir, is I can continue if I know that you understand what I'm saying. So let me restate that.
Oh, no, I understand. I understand. It's okay. Go ahead. Continue. I'm sorry. I get it.
All right. Okay, so then you would have been provided an advice of rights today, Mr. Dodd Brown. Did you read that advice of rights?
Yeah.
Is that a yes?
Mm-hmm.
No, not a not a yeah. Did you read it?
Yeah, so I'm pretty sure you understand what that is.
Well, the thing is you show me respect, and I will show you some respect as well.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay, very good. Thank you. All right, and did you understand those rights,
Yes,
Mr. Dodd
ma'am.
Brown? Thank you. And Mr. Austin, is he applying for an attorney today?
Yes, he is.
All right, thank you. So, Mr. Dodd Brown, the court is going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, and you're going to come back to court for a pretrial. That is Tuesday, April 22nd. That is at 9:30 a.m. and it is with Judge Cynthia Ward, and you have to appear in person. That's on the 6th floor of City Hall in courtroom 1. Do you have that notice, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. And did you, is there anything
Mere offenses, they are non-violent in nature.
All right, just a quick reason why that just happened. The way that this magistrate, Milmore, I think her name is, conducts her docket is when it comes to the point of giving personal information, phone numbers, addresses, she ends the live stream and then she restarts when that part's over. Now, it's not always perfect, so we probably lost a little bit there, but that's why the cut. It wasn't me. It's just how she does her docket. So, yeah. I kind of appreciate it because then, she's not putting everyone's personal information on blast. So I like it, but we did lose a little bit of the arraignment there. But anyways, let's go.
Ordinarily those would, I think, call for a personal recognizance bond, Your Honor. I would like to just ask if the court can clarify whether there are currently any holds on Mr. Dodd Brown.
That's my next thing here. I am aware that he has failed to appear for sentencing with Judge Stokes.
I am aware of that as well, Your Honor, although it's not listed as a hold on here. So I just wanted to
Okay.
be
Yeah,
clear
let me
on that,
check.
'cause that may change my recommendation.
Okay. Officer, do you know if he has any holds?
He does not have any holds according to what I have.
Please let me go.
Okay,
I'll be there. I'll make everything. I'm gonna comply. Whatever you guys need, I'm gonna do. Just let me go.
all right,
I swear
Mr.
it's me,
Austin.
my
You
mother
can-
and me.
Mr.
swear.
Austin, you can continue.
Oh, Mr. Dodd Brown, please stop interrupting the court. You're going to make matters far worse. Given that, Your Honor, then I would ask the court to consider personal recognizance release.
All right, thank you. So, Mr. Dodd Brown, the court takes into consideration, how many do we have? Really?
I can't keep track of it.
Okay,
I know I have 4 that I emailed about. I got 2 that are here on our docket.
okay,
Few more. So
okay. Is Marquita around? Is she aware?
she's coordinating.
Okay.
She said she would help us.
Oh.
So
Awesome. Okay, so the court's going to look at 2 factors, sir. Are you a flight risk? Are you a danger to the public? The court will look at your criminal history, look at your ties to community, your employment status. We'll look at as well as the allegations, recognizing that they are allegations. He did have a case bound over to the circuit court. That must be the one with Judge Stokes, I would guess.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, that shows, well, I can only show what's bound over, and that's stolen property, receiving and concealing, and a police officer, felony police officer assault, resist, obstruct, 2 counts of that, 3 counts of that actually. And I don't know, the actual sentencing, but I am aware that that is pending. It looks like you have a disturbing the peace in 2024. You have another matter in May of 2024 that was also pending and bound over to the circuit court involving stolen property.
Excuse me, Your Honor. So all of those were all wrapped into that one last case. It was.
I understand that. Yes, I do understand that. Thank you. And you have in 2022 a misdemeanor failed to stop at the scene of property damage accident, and a misdemeanor guilty plea in a controlled substance case. That was 2020. and then aggravated assault in 2019. So you do have some criminal history from 2019 to very recently. It does concern me that you failed to appear for sentencing. I don't know why you did. It's not up to me to take that into consideration. But you do got to make sure that you make your court hearings. With that being said, sir, I'm not going to grant you a PR. I will grant you a 10% bond, and it's a low 10% bond. It's a 1,000 10% bond.
So was that $100?
Yeah.
Yes. And the people have requested a GPS tether, so I'm also going to order that to ensure risk of flight and ensure court appearances. So there will be a GPS tether, a 1,000 10% bond, and conditions of your release, sir, are no alcohol or controlled substances without a prescription, no out-of-state travel without permission from the court, no firearms, ammunition, or dangerous weapons, and you cannot miss any court dates, and you cannot violate any state or local laws while you are on bond. Do you understand that?
Why can't I get a PR bond when I'm homeless?
Because I just told you why. Because I want to make sure you make all of your court appearances. And I'm not sure you're going to do that.
Appearances, I literally, I put it on my mother when I got up here, remember? I'm gonna make every thing that I need to do so I can get off of this paper and off the trail.
You're all set. You're all set. Mr. Austin, did you have anything else?
I did not, thank you.
Man,
All right. Okay, you know what? You have something else to say? Don't let him go. Don't let him go. Bring him back.
Your Honor, he's asking for a cup for the cell.
He's asking for what?
A cup.
A cup?
So he can drink some water.
Okay. It didn't sound like cup.
Yeah, it didn't sound like Cup either. I don't know what she heard, but I heard BS. And he was mumbling when he was walking away. Didn't look like he was talking to the officer at all. So I don't know if this is the officer just kind of coming to his rescue. He's like, all right, man, we're moving this along. We don't need a contempt hearing today. I don't know if that's what happened. No idea, but definitely didn't hear Cup. What do you guys think he said? All right, that's it. It was just a short one today, so I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that like button. I would appreciate it. Until next time, bye.
All right. Thank you. All right.